Right. That's a good shot. I hear the barrel, the floodway. Come on, Reds fishing. Try for reds, gar, catfish. See what happens. Come on, Reds. This one? Oh yeah, fish on.
On?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Feels like a redfish.
What?
Feels like a redfish. Oh yeah, it's a redfish, man.
See?
Yeah.
Okay.
Think so?
Oh, it's a keeper, man.
Yeah, it's a good one, man. Get him in here. We haven't been here 5 minutes.
Shit, not even 2 minutes.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Wow. Way to go.
He might make it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Come on, Reds. He might make it. He might be a little short. He might be undersized.
Well, either way.
Yeah, good catch.
Okay, right.
We ain't been here 5 minutes, man. He bit on Shiner.
On the trainer?
On the Shiner.
Right.
All right. I saw it move too. I thought you kicked it.
No.
Not even 2 minutes, like you say.
Right.
Oh, come on, get off. There we go. Oh, redfish. Oh, no, man, he's 16, 17.
Okay.
17. Oh, back he goes, but first fish of the day. Let's get some more. Come on, Reds. We're on. Oh, we're on. Oh, fish on. Yeah. This is a better fish. Looks like a catfish.
What?
I think it's a catfish.
Catfish?
I think so. I'm trying to fight him through this weeds. Yeah, it's a bullhead cat. Oh. A black bullhead? Black channel cat?
Mm-hmm.
Put up a better fight than the red.
Yep.
Now send him back. Alright. 2 fish. Had about a, what, 15, 16 inch?
Yeah.
Real dark black channel cat.
Real.
Come on back. There he goes. Alright.